Tuples in Python. Tuples are a type of data structure in Python used to group related information. They're similar to lists, but with a key distinction. Tuples are immutable, meaning you can't change their values once defined. This makes tuples more efficient in terms of memory and performance. They're also safer as the data they contain can't be accidentally modified. Let's start by creating a tuple. Tuples are defined by enclosing elements in parentheses, separated by commas. The tuple mytuple contains an integer, a string, and a float. As with lists, the elements in a tuple can be of different data types. To access elements in a tuple, you use the index of the element, starting from 0. However, remember that tuples are immutable, so if we try to change an element, Python will raise an error. But if you really need to change something, you can convert the tuple to a list first, change the value, then convert it back to a tuple. Now my tuple has orange instead of apple. One useful application of tuples is using them as dictionary keys. Remember, dictionary keys must be immutable variables. Consider a situation where we're tracking the population of cities across the globe, and we want to identify cities by their name and country. We can use a tuple containing the city name and its country as a unique key in our dictionary. Tuples are versatile tools for grouping related data, providing safety against accidental modifications, and optimizing your Python programs. Experiment with tuples in your code, and you'll appreciate their simplicity and power.